Firstly, go to Transition. Then add Pull In. Then reduce duration to 0.1.
Then on the second clip go to Animation. Then add Swing Top Right, then reduce duration to 0.2.
Then go to Effect, then Basic. Then click on Shake. Adjust speed to 77. And intensity to 85.
Then adjust the clip like I did.
Then go back to Effect Party, then shake 1. Then add Slanted Blur. Then adjust Blur to 50. And rotate to 68. Then go to Retro, then Chrome Blur. Then Blur 26 and Horizontal 67.